got your hands on a pre-loved Apple TV. Let's dive in and give it a fresh start so it's all yours. First things first, we need to erase everything from its previous owner to do this. Plug in your Apple TV and connect it to your TV using an HDMI cable if you see the setup screen. Great. If not, we'll need to perform a factory reset. From the Apple TV's main menu, navigate to Settings, then System, look for the option that says Reset. You'll likely see a few choices. Select Reset to restore it to its factory settings. This will completely wipe the device clean. It might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the reset is complete, the Apple TV will restart, and you'll be greeted with the setup screen. Your first task is to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Select your network from the list and enter your password carefully. Now, let's connect your remote. If it doesn't pair automatically, open the Apple TV remote app on your iPhone or iPad, and it should detect your Apple TV. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair them if you don't have the app. You can often use the physical remote if it's already paired. Next up, your Apple ID. This is crucial for downloading apps and accessing your purchased content. Enter your existing Apple ID and password. If you don't have one, you can create one directly on the Apple TV or on an Apple device. And that's it. Your used Apple TV is now reset, connected, and ready for you to personalize. Start exploring the App Store, stream your favorite shows, and enjoy your refreshed device.